Did you poop, you little stinker? Yay! Did you make it? Or are you just trying still? It's your birthday party, my love. Everybody's getting ready. Grandma Furby's making some stuff for our burgers. Lana was playing with you over here. Look at this.
Which reminds me.
You've got the Sesame Gang here. Grandma Patsy brought them along. There's little Blake is here to celebrate. He's got his birthday crown on. Yay!
Here's Grandma Patsy with the bun.
And Grandma Patsy was getting the buns ready. Auntie Michelle's here. Happy birthday.
Excuse me.
There's Grandma Patsy making guacamole. Had Uncle Gene on the grill.
Tony, did you hear about the Merrick Gardens? Did you see that sign when we were driving?
There's Dada in his hillbilly hat. There's Auntie Jen,
Don't turn away from me.
Danielle, and Aunt Beck. Grandpa must be asleep downstairs somewhere. And the guys are fishing down there.
Like a minute and a half. Stay section so I can